Hello and welcome to the KAASM YouTube channel. This is Sean, and in this video I would like to show you the device management in WinCC Open Architecture version 3.15. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is start a project. In this case I'm going to be using the Getting Started 3.15 project that comes with the base installation of WinCC Open Architecture. Let's go ahead and click the green button to get this server up and running. Once all the lights are green, I am going to highlight the user interface, which is the Getty module, the graphical editor. Go ahead and click go there. Once that's open, I'm going to close my console. And what I am looking for here in the Getty is the system management box here. So there's tooltips on all the icons. We want to open that. And if you will notice here, the system management, if you're a previous user, has been refreshed, and I can only anticipate that WinCC OA is going to continue to get these graphical updates like this. So we want to look for settings and device management. Now what this tool is this gives us a very easy way to see which clients are connected to the system, which types they are, and be able to manage permissives, whether or not they're in or out. And I take that back. I don't mean by permissives by usernames and passwords. That's handled in a different component of WinCC Open Architecture. I am talking about seeing which devices are connected and being able to kill sessions and manage sessions appropriately. Okay, so let's walk around this really quick. The two top tabs, devices, is to let me know what's connected, and I'll cover this a little bit more in detail, but I want to click on this classes. There will be another YouTube video involved with this of how to create a device class. For example, what this is used for, if there's lots of tablets, lots of iPhones, lots of Galaxies, different resolutions, different sizes, it's a very easy way to create a class that you can immediately take pre-built engineering and resize it appropriately for either a tablet or a smartphone, or any type of these types of devices. In the classes, in the device area, now it tells me how many licenses I have available, how many are connected. So in this case I have 14 licenses and 0 connected devices. Unlocked devices lets me know which ones I've approved to come in or automatically approved to come in. These check boxes down here, if they're checked, says that any device that connects to my server, I will allow it to pull a license if it's available and access the system. And then here's 5 licenses for the mobile UIs, which I have none connected at the time. And then the show component just hides the fields that are here, or shows them, and I will show that here quickly. So let's click a previous video. We set up the desktop UI, and I'm going to use that for example. You can use the mobile UI or any of the clients to pop in, with the exception of the ultralight that is not integrated into this yet. So it supports the desktop UI and the mobile UI. So let's go ahead and double click that, and in the background you may have seen an item just pop in. So what that did was it took the device name, which is the name of this computer, the UUID, the name of the product, which is the desktop UI, shows that it's taking 1 license, and also what version is here and the type of computer, etc. So we'll just quickly log in and show that the session's up and running. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and minimize that. And so this may be an operator, maybe a manager, maybe all of the above accessing the system. On the back end, this could be engineering department, could be IT, looking at this screen. So you get a quick snapshot of who's currently connected to the system. Now let's say I need to kill this session, or maybe a device was stolen, or maybe there's just some access that you do not want on the system. You can simply highlight and hit this X button down here, and it will ask if you want to delete that device, and I just killed that session connectivity. Alright, so now the other cool component about this, if I uncheck the automatic unlock, I double click this, now it says your device needs to be authorized. So now I can't have people just accessing the system without our approval. So they get a failure notification. I come in and see who's requesting access. I simply say you now have access by checking this box. Double click, and now you get the root login, or excuse me, the login to where they can add their usernames and passwords. So pretty cool tool. and we've been getting tremendous feedback on this in general, because as we've been experiencing, there's lots and lots more mobile devices coming into these industrial networks, and from a security standpoint, this is a component that has been requested, and so I'm grateful that Siemens has addressed it with this type of tool. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment or shoot us an email or visit us at KAASM.com, and thanks for watching.